Imagine studying at one of Canada's top universities, with your tuition supported and a living stipend to help you focus fully on your education. What if I told you that could be you at the University of Alberta? Stay with me, because I'm about to show you exactly. Section 6, my top 3 tips to win this scholarship. Before we dive in, make sure to like this video to support our channel and help us reach more students like you. And don't forget to subscribe. You will get massive value from this detailed breakdown and future updates. Section 1. Let's talk about the incredible benefits of the University of Alberta Graduate Entrance Scholarship. This prestigious award offers a generous stipend of $17,500 for master's students and an impressive $21,000 for doctoral students, making a real difference in your academic journey. International students also receive an additional $10,000 to help cover tuition and mandatory fees, easing financial stress. Beyond this scholarship, students can access teaching assistantships, research assistantships, and valuable on-campus work opportunities, as well as graduate research assistant fellowships, depending on the department and your area of study. There are also major institutional awards, such as the renowned Killam Scholarship, plus bursaries and other financial support available throughout the year to help you succeed full-time during the award period. Alright, let's move on to Section 3, Other Requirements. So, the scholarship funds are actually paid into a Canadian bank account once you arrive, just to be clear. English language requirements like IELTS really depend on your chosen program, and they're part of the regular admission requirements. And there's no separate scholarship application fee, which is pretty nice. And most importantly, you don't actually apply directly for this scholarship. Instead, you'll be nominated by your department after you apply for admission. Now let's dive into Section 4, How to Apply. Here's a clear step-by-step process to help you navigate your application journey with confidence. Step 1. Apply for admission to your preferred graduate program at the University of Alberta. Make sure to carefully review the program requirements before submitting your application. Step 2. Submit all the documents required by your department. That usually means transcripts, references, and any additional materials they may request. A research proposal may also be needed, especially for research-based programs, so be sure to check the specific requirements. And don't forget to provide proof of English proficiency if required, such as IELTS or TOEFL scores. Step 3. Once your admission is being processed, your department will automatically consider you for nomination to the scholarship. Step 4. If you are nominated, the scholarship will be awarded and your stipend and fee support will be applied directly to your student account. Step 5. If you're not nominated, you can still benefit from other funding opportunities, such as bursaries or grants. These include teaching and research assistantships, or other academic awards that can help support your studies and living expenses. The link to the official University of Alberta scholarship page is in the video description below, so you can easily access all the details you need. Before we continue, this is the perfect time to invest in your future and take the next step toward your academic dreams. If you want to optimize your application documents, your research proposal, your statement of purpose, your CV and more, and your reference strategy, get the Scholarship Success Pro course, designed specifically for scholarship applicants. It teaches you exactly how to position yourself as a top-tier applicant and stand out from the competition. The link is in the video description and pinned comment, so you can check it out anytime. Also, let me know in the comments, what country and city are you watching from? I love hearing from viewers worldwide. I'd love to see where everyone is tuning in from and connect with our amazing global community. Vary by department, so make sure you check your program's page and a powerful research statement if required. Departments nominate only their strongest applicants. Alright, that's everything you need to know about the University of Alberta scholarships and funding opportunities for international graduate students. If this video helped you, make sure to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications so you don't miss upcoming scholarship guides. Good luck with your application. I hope to see you succeed at the University of Alberta.